Hey everybody, Chad from Half Cocked Academy here. And today we're just going to go briefly over how to share your Google Analytics, Google Webmaster Tools, and Google My Business account access with other Google users. A lot of times you want to do this to keep your passwords and your access credentials secure to yourself, and it allows you to manage other people accessing your tools in a more efficient and controlled way. So anyway, I'm just going to get right to it. So in the screen share that we're going to bring up here, all right. Okay, in the screen share that we're going to show you here, the first one's going to be Google Analytics. So Google Analytics, simply get into whatever account you're using. I just get into the reporting dashboard right away. And of course, up at the top you have these 4 tabs. Go ahead and click on the Admin tab. You come down, it shows your account level accesses, your property accesses, and your view. And you'll notice right here, I've highlighted user management, user management, user management. Typically, I take account level, especially if I'm going to share my accesses with an SEO. So I go down to user management, click on that right there. And simply right over here, you're going to add your permissions. Just put in the email address, whoever you want to add. This works, of course, it needs to be a Gmail or a Google account associated email address. So you just simply put it in there and then come over here, click on that, and give them whatever levels of access that you need to give them. Typically, if I'm having an SEO work for me or a local marketer, I'm going to go ahead and click Manage Users and Edit, so it gives them full access to everything. Now, Manage Users, of course, you can take that off, and it takes away their ability to take you out of managing your own account. So it gives them at the top level. So if anything, you can also give them Edit, Collaborate, and Read and Analyze. And if they need to later on, they can go ahead and remove themselves from that account. So it's just as simple as going to Admin, User Management, and then put in their permissions right there, and it gives them access to your Google Analytics. Webmaster Tools is a little bit easier too. Simply on your main dashboard screen for Webmaster Tools, whatever website property or website you're managing, over here it says Manage Site. There's a little drop-down menus. You'll drop that down, add or remove users. When you click on that, it brings you to a screen where you similarly put in an email address of a Gmail or a Google account of the user you want to add to manage this site. So up there's the red button, Add New User. When you click that, it drops down, you put in their email address, and there's 2 options. You can pick Restricted or Full. I would definitely give Full. Restricted is going to make it so they can't do a couple different things in here. Adding and removing users, of course, they won't be able to do that, and of course, they won't be able to do a few other things. Anyway, without getting too deep into that. Anyway, Restricted or Full, you can do that there. So anyway, that's how to do Webmaster Tools. Simply just pick what website you want to work on with that little from the main menu. Use the little drop-down arrow to says Manage Site. Right there, Manage Site, add or remove users, as simple as that. So the last one, Google My Business page. So make sure that you're up on, you're just acting as your page. Of course, by looking up here, you can see your logo if you set your logo and your business name, or your business page name. So up here, go ahead and click on that logo right there, and then it drops down that menu there. And you have Edit, Settings. So the next one I would do, of course, is Settings right there. So when you go into the Settings menu for your Google Plus page, or I'm sorry, your Google My Business page, you'll see these 5 tabs across the top. The one over there, second from the right, is the Managers tab. So go ahead and click that tab. And just like in Google Analytics of Webmaster Tools, you add managers to this page. Simply click the blue Add Managers button right there, and then put in email addresses of the people you want to add. Make sure that everything's spelled correctly. Right here, you can select what level they want: Manager, Communications Manager. A regular manager can change business information, can add and remove logos, profile images, cover images. Communications managers just simply can create and post updates and posts to the wall or posts to the stream and stuff like that. They can't change any of the big business information. So that's how to do all 3 of those. And if you have any questions, just let me know by entering in a comment at the bottom of the video here. All right, thank you guys.